Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Derwood to try to figure out. My buyers are already inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, doesn't specify full or half, 2,100 square feet. It is asking $645,000. It was built in '66, and it's on a little under a half an acre. So we're gonna go take a look around and see, is it worth it? Oh, and it's been on the market for a little over a month now. All right, so we're in a court, and I got a decent driveway, carport. Looks like more parking to the side. And a big shed here that is kind of falling apart. A little busted up right there. And we got a nice patio out back here. Really nice yard. Cool little playhouse up there. And it looks like they ran electric back here at some point. And possibly gas? I'm not sure what that used to be, but they do have solar. There's many trees around here. The grass is actually really nice. I might have to ask them what their secret is, because my yard does not look this nice. And, oh, cool, we do have a walkout. Ooh, goodness. That thing is old. And I can't even find a sticker. Alright, we'll have to try to check on the inside. Let's go walk on the inside. Really dark foyer. How was upstairs? Meh.
I understand why it's considered.
Dog?
Something like that.
Yeah. Dining. You got bamboo wood floors, fireplace, brick wall, even the wood storage. And what is this? Pantry. A couple of steps up into the kitchen. Pretty nice, but small. And dining room, original hardwoods. Family room. Let's head on up. Start right here with the master. Windows have been updated. Roof looked to be in good shape as well. Master bath is full. There's a light switch. Corian counter, definitely older. And just a standing shower. Yep. Not bad. And good sized walk-in closet. Bedroom 2. Lots of good light. Bedroom 3. Kind of small. There's a bathroom in here. Yep. Ooh, really dated. And they're either not turning the fan on or it's broken, because that's what causes that, all the moisture. Oh yeah, the fan light didn't work either. Alright, so what do we have? What in the world? Alright, so this used to be a bath, half bath, and then, oh wow. That's poorly done. And then a shower. That, okay, well, that's weird.
I know. Clearly have a dog.
And it's, oh, they put a shell in there. And check out the basement. That was just never finished. And they can clearly, well, they clearly know that they have squeaky steps because they tried to block it, but I don't think that worked. And the basement. Alright, so there's a bed down here. And oh, they got a little kitchenette down here. I wonder if they do short-term rentals with this, because there's your side entrance. Oh, retaining wall's failing also. Yeah, that retaining wall's failing, and it's a fairly large gap from that to that. That would not be a cheap fix. And what do we got in here? Sump pump with a battery backup and the gas meter. Storage. Oh goodness. That's really old. Confused because this is running, but the outside air handler is not. And I'm not going to find an age on this thing. Laundry. Alright, so there's a... Alright, now Cassie said it's going to be weird, so we got a sink out here. Is there a shower in here? There is. There's a light switch. I'm going to go on a limb and say this is not to code or permitted for that matter. So you got a toilet and a shower inside of a closet. I gotta look. I can't not. Oh goodness. So we have a shower and a tub. What in the world? This is interesting to say the least. So you can take a bath, you can take a shower. Oh wow. That, oh, and there's where you wash your hands when you're done. Wow. This is one interesting property. Now that you've been through it, what do you think? Is it worth it? I don't.